Hello guys, welcome back. We are just a few days away from Samsung's big Galaxy Note 10 event and the rumors and leaks are flooding in. Samsung isn't officially announcing the Note 10 until Wednesday. The usual flood of leaks means we already have a pretty good idea of what to expect when the company takes the stage at the Barclays Center at 4 PM Eastern Time that day. First, let's take a look at number of models it will have along with the design. So Samsung is rumored to have 4 models of Note 10 this year. A smaller 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Note 10 and a souped up Note 10 Plus with a massive 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display, which is just shy of being a tablet. Additionally, Samsung might have 5G models of both Note 10 sizes, making it 4 Note models. But basically the 5G models only have additional 5G in them, so in this video we are going to refer to only 2 models, Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. These 2 variants will sport a single punch hole camera positioned at the center along with the expected curved AMOLED screen, and 3 rear cameras on Note 10 and 4 rear cameras on Note 10 Plus. The 4th sensor will be time of flight sensor. We will dig deeper in cameras later on. According to reliable leaks from WinFuture, the Note 10 is said to have a 3500 mAh battery, 12W wireless charging, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, with no microSD card slot to expand it. The Note 10 Plus, however, will reportedly have a massive 4300 mAh battery, 20W wireless charging, up to 45W charging speeds. However, the handset might ship with just a 25W charger in the box, and 12GB of RAM, expandable up to 256GB via a micro SD card slot. Now let's check the hardware on Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series. The Galaxy Note 10 will stick to the Snapdragon 855 SoC in the US and the Exynos 9825 in other markets. The latter is the new chipset that Samsung is going to unveil on 7th August, for which the Samsung has already released a teaser and which is expected to overcome the drawbacks of the Exynos 9820 chipset, which is found in Galaxy S10 family. Next we have upgraded S Pen. This year the biggest addition is said to be some kind of motion gesture that will let you control the phone through the S Pen by moving it around, but without actually directly touching the display. It's not totally clear how the new S Pen will achieve this or how useful it will be, but expect Samsung to have a demo or two showcasing this feature. Next is the camera. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus will reportedly come with a quad camera setup, while the smaller variant will have a triple camera setup. Leaked renders have confirmed the quad camera design. The camera are also vertically aligned this time instead of the horizontal setup in the previous Note series. Both models of Note 10 are expected to get an updated triple camera setup with 3 lenses on the back, a 12-megapixel main lens that can adjust from f1.5 to f2.4 aperture, a 16-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel f2.1 telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. And as mentioned before, the Note 10 Plus is expected to have an extra time of flight camera for a total of 4 rear lenses. Both phones will have just a single 10-megapixel front-facing camera, unlike the Galaxy S10 Plus, which had 2 for its hole punch camera. And finally, the first Samsung flagship phone to ditch the audio jack. It might not be a big deal for few, but for people like me it's a big deal. Although over time it will get set like most flagship phones out there. Which means that the company's future phones likely won't be getting the port either. It's the end of an era in many ways. So that's the Note series. Hope you liked the video. See you next time. Peace out.